Qingdao Shengtong Mechanical Technology Company Limited, located in Qingdao West Coast, is adjacent to the Shanghai Expressway and Qingdao West Railway Station to the west and Qingdao International Airport at the back. The traffic is very convenient. The company is established in 2006, is a high-tech enterprise with more than 10 years of experience in R&D and production of CNC machine tools. The company specializes in the production of CNC turret punch presses, intelligent flexible bending centers, CNC bending machines, and CNC feeders. The company has built up strong technical force and has a complete range of processing equipment based on the persistence. It has had a good technical R&D system and innovation ability. With rich industrial manufacturing heritage, mature manufacturing process, strict management system, and mutual development concept, the company has maintained a significant development for more than 10 years. The company has passed the ISO 9001-2000 International Quality System Certification and awarded the title of Shandong SRDI Enterprise and Shandong Gazelle Enterprise. It also has a number of patented technologies. Our Intelligent Flexible Bending Center is a high-tech product developed for the sheet metal industry to improve production efficiency, reduce labor intensity, lower labor costs, and enhance enterprise reputation. It has been widely used in various industries, such as filing cabinets, electrical cabinets, doors, tool cabinets, kitchenware, ventilation, air conditioning, purification, education, and test instruments. We are in line with the customer-centric concept. Welcome to Shengtong.